All right, so now we're doing average speed. So average speed, you're doing basically the same thing as speed, but this time you're going to get the total distance and you're going to divide by the total time. So what does that mean? Well, here we have two trials, trial 1 and trial 2. And these are two toy cars. So the first thing is, again, we want the total distance. So I have 5.6 and I have 7. So I'm going to take these two numbers and I'm going to add them. So 5.6 plus 7, 12.6. So my total distance is 12.6 meters. Okay. Then I'm taking my total time. So in this first one, it was 4, and the second one, it was 5. So I'm going to take 4 plus 5, get 9. So 9 seconds. So now that I've gotten my total distance, which is just adding all of the distances together, and I've gotten my total time, which is just adding all my times together, I'm going to take these two numbers and I'm going to divide. So I'm going to take 12.6, because distance goes first, and divide by 9, and I get 1.4. So my answer is 1.4 meters per second. And that's it. Okay. Now, not all of them will be like this. Sometimes we'll see a graph. So on the next slide, so here we have to read a graph. Again, I want the total distance that this object traveled. Okay, so I see this object traveled, if I go all the way to the top, it traveled 20 meters. So that's my total distance, 20 meters. Okay. Then I'm going to look at how long did it take? What is my total time? So here's my time on my x-axis. So to get to 20 meters, it took 4 seconds. Do you see that? Okay. It's fine that it does that. Now I'm going to take my meters and my seconds, so my distance and my time, and I'm going to divide. So 20 divided by 4, and I get 5. So my answer is 5 meters per second. Again, making sure we add our units each time. This comes up later on. Okay, there's an importance to this. Okay, so now you're going to do the remaining 3 examples. So again, you have another graph, and then you have a word problem and a chart. So remember, average speed, you're going to add up